Yo, look what we got.
Oh my gosh.
Look what we got here, boys.
I keep mixing up. Hey, how you doing?
Thank you, brother.
There we go. I do need to take your phone.
I got you. I got you.
And what a dummy. I
What
switched you and your neighbor. So I'll be right back.
All right.
Yep.
Ooh, we're getting it. So I'm pretty excited because today the UPS guy just dropped off our packages. Let's go. Here we have the scuba driver who's ready to help us unbox some things here. Right, Scooby-Doo. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, he's ready. So here we have our unboxing video. We don't actually know what's in these packages yet. If you're watching this on YouTube, obviously you do because it's in the video description. But as of right now, we don't know. But we are super excited. And looks like we just gotta get rid of this initial paper here. Alright. Discard that. Looks like that is going to be the Evo Lite Plus. Super excited about that. Let's get this going out of the way. Autel recommends that just in case you need to do any returns, you keep everything in the original packaging. So we're going to try to keep it all in the original packaging as best we can. And I actually had quite an extensive conversation with Autel customer service, and I've seen a bunch of people say a bunch of different things about Autel customer service. Obviously we did a bunch of research before we purchased these, that their customer service had kind of fallen off or whatever. That wasn't necessarily our experience. They were highly responsive. Okay, looks like we've got a SD card, 64 gigabytes. That's gonna be good for some video footage. Definitely comes from probably China or something like that, but it does say that it's good for 4K UHD. I'm not sure how that's gonna go with our camera that films in 6K, but we'll find out for sure. Okay, looks like we got a carrying case here. We'll go ahead and set this over to the side. It's pretty nice. I mean, you want to feel it, babe? It feels like it's made of pretty good material.
Waterproof, probably.
Maybe waterproof. It doesn't say waterproof, but perhaps it is.
Water resistant.
The zippers feel very tactile, very robust. It doesn't feel like some of that cheap, flimsy packaging. Oh yeah, and here you go. Now you get into the good stuff. Take this one out first. Looks like we have the standard video game controller. This is actually an upgrade that the Evo did. The phone or tablet will go in there, and they sell a couple of different mounts that you can pick up for these. It feels pretty nice. I did watch another YouTuber say that they were seeing some separation go on from over here, but we'll find out if that's the case here in a minute. So here we have the video game controller. I like video games, so this is very familiar with me. I watched another YouTuber say that they were seeing some separation issues on a few different forums around here, so we'll definitely do an update after putting it through its paces, but it feels pretty good. The buttons are nice and tactile. They're giving me satisfying clicks, and everything seems to be made of some pretty good quality. We'll find out though for sure. See also what we got. We got a box of accessories, and let's see what we got in that box of accessories. I'm trying to be careful in case I do need to return any of this. Carrying case, nice velvet, nice little velvet carrying case. That's fun. These looks like different connectors for the phone, whichever phone you have. Obviously I'm gonna be connecting to Galaxy USB-C, so that looks right. What do we got here? This is definitely USB-C. We'll figure out what that's for. We got the little control thumb knob thingies. And I was seeing a couple of customers complain that there's not anywhere to actually put these once you disconnect them from the controller. So that's something that I think we would like to see Autel fix in the future, or maybe some third party. If you guys know of any third party attachments, let me know down in the comments that, you know, we can hook up to find somewhere to put those sticks. Extra propellers, number 1. Extra propellers, number 2. Whoa, 3 packs of extra propellers. They just keep coming, guys. Wow, there's more. Okay, 4 packs extra propellers. 5 packs. 6 packs of extra propellers. Okay, well, you know, that's pretty good. Not planning on wrecking it anytime soon, but it's nice to see that we've got some extra propellers going on. We've got what looks like the quick charger for all 3 batteries. You know, you can charge them all at once, so that's pretty dope. Here we go. Wow, these are the batteries. These are much heavier than I expected. Much heavier than I expected, which I like. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. It feels robust, like I'm gonna get plenty of life and flight time out of here. I think they say that you can have up to 36 minutes of max flight time, which the little drone that I bought to practice on, obviously before my wife and I decided to start a drone business, I had a little one that I practiced on frequently, and I actually tried to fly it inside. Very light little thing, and I broke it. So anyway, fixed that, and so I'm looking forward to getting some good experience with a more robust system here. Check this out. This is a must-have if you're doing any real estate. This actually came with the entire package. Must-have if you're doing any type of videography or sunset capturing. These are ND filters, and these are actually 80 bucks, and they came with the package that we got, the Evo Lite Plus. So these filters will allow you to catch different footage. I'm not saying that we are experts in ND filters by any means, but we definitely will figure it out. Alright guys, here's the thing that pretty much everybody's been waiting for. We have the drone. This is the Autel. You can clearly see what a beautiful camera right there on the front. Beautiful camera. Okay, this one we will go ahead and open the packaging to take a look at it. Let's be kind of careful to not scratch. I wish they would make the in black, you know, because gray and white and even orange is kind of easy to get dirty. We got the looks like our carbon fiber wings here. Nice. Nice, very robust feeling. It feels sturdy and heavy, not like my cheap little plastic Chinese drone that I have been using. Nice gimbal cover, sensors on the bottom to keep it from colliding with things, but you know what they say, you're supposed to actually pretend like you do not have that and learn how to fly like a professional. Quick release propellers. Okay, nice. Let's see if we can get one of these batteries out here. I'm actually not sure how well, just like that. Wow, the battery is making up like 70% of the weight for sure. That's amazing. There you guys have it. We're definitely going to do an updated video after we use it for a little while and decide how we like it, and we'll keep you guys posted. Alright, what do you think about it? Does it feel robust?
It feels amazing.
Feels nice and robust.
It's super sturdy.
Super sturdy?
Very heavy.
It is kind of heavy, isn't it?
It's got a lot of cameras.
Those are sensors.
Everywhere. These are back cameras, aren't they?
They're sensors, yeah. They're little cameras to make sure that you don't collide into anything.
Wow.
Alright, feel the controller that you fly with. What do you think about the controller?
This is... You can tell it's like really high quality.
It's kind of like the PlayStation controller, isn't it?
Yeah, but much slicker and fancier, I
Well,
think.
you hear that, PlayStation? She thinks Autel's got you beat. Okay, so it looks like we also have a, that looks like the charger that gets plugged into the wall. All of it is really well put together, which you would expect for $1,000. I mean, straight up. That's just the plug that goes in there. And then they were thoughtful enough to put some desiccant packs inside, so I guess moisture or whatever. Up in the top here we got some manuals. We'll read through all these. Hopefully they're not all in Chinese. Well, sorry boys, they're all in Chinese, so unless you can read that, these manuals aren't going to do you any good anyway. Quick start guide. Let's see, do we got any English going on here? Oh, there we go. Well, at least they gave it to us in English and Chinese. I think that's Chinese. I actually am not even sure. That might be a different language, and I might sound like a complete idiot right now. What do you guys know what language that is? I'm gonna suspect it's Chinese. But anyway, okay, what do we got here? We got some quality assurance pass. Well, that's good. At least it went through some quality control, or they said that it went through some quality control. So that'll be good. So here's the speed charger with all three, and you can see it kind of, you press the little clasps here and then you can slide it down in there. I gotta be honest though, I don't really like this. It feels clunky and weird and awkward and just kind of not very stable. I'm not a big fan of, you know, these weird proprietary charging stations. See, you know, this one obviously goes right here and we'll get it all plugged in, but it doesn't feel very stable. It feels kind of back heavy, and putting it on there is like, there's nowhere to really hold it. Like I'm doing kind of like this awkward like thing. I don't know. It's not the most robust or well thought out design. And like I said, this is just for my fingers, and I washed my hands earlier and I've already got marks. Yeah, see, exactly. That's what I meant by stability. So you got to see it there firsthand. Okay, so this has got to be the most frustrating thing so far. So I have this three-way charging method, and okay, obviously I followed the instructions, and I'll show you that in just a minute, but it says that the charge management sequence charging priority is given to charging the battery with the highest amount of power remaining. And when it reaches full charge, it will continue to charge the next battery with the highest power in sequence charging mode. Only one battery will be charged at a time. Then it says, please unplug the battery once it's fully charged. So what is the difference? I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so if it's going to literally charge one battery at a time until it charges the next battery, and then I literally have to switch or take out the battery that's being charged, then what is the point in having a weird three-way charging system when I would just charge one battery at a time? You know, I don't understand any of this at all, or how this is efficable or any difference from, you know, what is the point in getting a $60 three-way charger if it only works as a one battery charger at a time type situation? Just trying to figure that out. Let me know in the comments if you understand why they did that, or if you think that's ridiculous as well. Alright guys, so there you have it. Obviously the next step is to get it all charged up, take it outside, and do a couple of test flights. We'll get some footage of the test flights, and also we'll have a full video on you know, the different intelligent modes that it does and what we think about it, and we'll get you some footage. I'm gonna go out to a buddy's house that has a really nice house, and we'll take a look at, you know, what all the things do. So first we got to charge it up, and then we'll get it outside, and we will see you there. Scooby, should we keep the drone or send it back? Shake my hand for keep. Okay. Alright, I guess we'll keep it then. Yeah. I guess we'll keep it then.